Hello everyone. Today I'm doing the unboxing of the Amazon Fire HD tablet with Alexa. This one is 32 gigabytes and this is the regular version. They're also selling the Plus version, which comes with 3 gigabytes of RAM and wireless charging. I believe it's $30 extra. I decided to go on this one because it was on sale. This one I bought on QVC. It came out to $50 and it also came with a voucher for a case. So it was quite a good deal because retail is 90. Most times you can find them on Amazon for about 60, which is quite a budget price for a tablet. So this one I bought it in a blue color. It's like kind of like a bluish, dark bluish. They also have them in black and white. The white one is the only one that has the front white. All the other colors have the black front and then different color on the back, as you guys can see. So let me go and open up this one. Actually, let's check out the back, what it says on the back first. So you got a 8-inch HD display. I mean, they call it HD, but it's not really HD high definition. I'm trying to zoom it in so you guys can see it. Oh, there we go. So it's at 480 by 800. It's not bad for 8-inch. But it's not that good. It also has a micro SD slot expansion up to 1 terabyte, which is definitely more than you need. It has a quad core and 2 gigs of RAM. The previous version had a 1.5 gigabytes of RAM. It was usable, but it wasn't the best. So hopefully 2 gigabytes makes it much faster. They do say the quad core CPU is 30% faster. So we'll see that once I do the review. And then this is also another change. I have dual band AC Wi-Fi, which hopefully it's much faster. The other one wasn't that fast. Then you have front and rear cameras. Not so good. I believe it's 2 megapixel, which is quite a shame, but you get what you get for the price. You know, for 80 bucks retail, 60 bucks on sale, it's not that bad. So I don't expect cameras, probably never gonna use them, but it's a nice to have them, I guess. So let's open it up and see how it looks. They have this plastic little tab, you just peel it off. And then we're gonna pop it out. Alright, we got everything out of the box. So we're gonna take the tablet. Let's see. It doesn't feel as heavy. I feel like it's a little bit less weight than the previous version, but I could be wrong. I'll do that in the actual review. I'll go over the weight and everything that's different between them. But let's see what it looks like. Alright, so here we go. So let's see. So we have the camera I was telling about, no flash, 2 megapixel, and then you have the front one, which should be over here. It has no touch button, so all the buttons gonna be on the display. And then you have the speaker grill right here. So it has 2 speaker grills, which is good if you're holding it like this, so the sound's gonna be coming from this way. But if you're holding it like this, then your hand is gonna block some sound. So I guess if you hold it like this, it's good. Oh, the camera is right here. I thought it was on top, but yeah, this is where that other 2 megapixel camera. I guess they think you're just gonna hold the camera in portrait. I mean landscape, but yeah, it is what it is. So they also added a USB-C type charge, so that's good. They say it has fast charging, I believe 5 hours to get it fully charged, which isn't that impressive because, you know, iPad can do much faster and has a bigger battery, but it is what it is. And then you have 3.5 milliliter headphone jack. Then this will be the power button and this will be the volume rockers. They're extremely small, but yeah, it's just buttons. Then, as I said, on this side you have the grills. Then you have nothing on this side, and this side you have, oh yeah, that's for SD card expansion. So let's see. Oh yeah. So here you can pop in the SD card up to 1 terabyte. So let's see what else it came. So I believe it's just gonna be a charger and probably the manual, but let's see. So yeah, you have the charger brick. It's pretty small and light. And then this should be some kind of setup manuals. Nothing too crazy, and this would be it's pretty nothing great, but I'm pretty sure there's nothing to it. I'm just using. I'm trying to find the cable. Here we are. Looks like a small cable. I don't think it's gonna be long at all. Let's see. Probably about 3 feet. Not bad. I wish it was longer, but it's not bad. All right, guys, that's it. I'm gonna do a review next, and I'll do everything from playing games to running a few different apps. This one runs off of Amazon App Store, so it can't use Google Store, but there's ways you can download Google Store and then use regular Google apps. It does support many of the apps that regular Google Store has, like Netflix, TikTok, YouTube, and other apps. But I might even show in the next video how to get the Google Play Store on it. Well, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next video.